Hey guys, it's Bill. This is the official 2014 bike check. Assholes. Well, this is what it looks like now. I think it's pretty baller. We're gonna start shit. Alright. Well, we're gonna start off by saying that this is a Failure Maniac frame. 21-inch top tube. Just your standard forks that come with the frame. Some United Mothership bars. I think it's an 8.5-inch rise, and I cut them down to 28.25 width, I think. I repainted them. They were getting all fucked up. These are my ODI long neck super soft grips. They're a little dirty if you can't tell. I don't have any bar ends because they're smashed in. I don't know if you can see in there, but they're smashed in. I got a Sabrosa stem. It's cracked as hell. It's alright. I'll get a new one eventually. I got a premium motherfucker headset. Yeah, it says premium. In the front, I just got a stock front a stock front wheel, I guess, with a DK hub. Well, whoever it may show. And now I got mud on my tires, which I gotta get off because it pisses me off. Okay, well, speaking of tires, I got Stolen Joint PC tires, blue wall. I got a Shadow peg in the front. Now in the back, I got a P-Series back hub cassette, some random ass hub guard and an Odyssey peg, a XLC back double wall rim. I got a KMC 510 folding chain, some cranks that I have no idea what they are, just your average United PC pedals, stock sprocket, which I don't care or give a fuck about. This is the sound of the seat. I don't know what seat, but it has a knife on the side. I got it from Kiwi. And an animal seat post. Now the cassette sounds like this. It's not too loud, but it's something, I guess. Well, that's my 2014 bike check. Peace.